You want to know how you can supplement your retirement without the worry of having to rely on an insufficient pension? After working hard for all these years, you don't want to be in a situation where you are not able to enjoy your retirement because of a lack of funds. Unable to spend more quality time with your family, unable to experience different cultures in other countries, or enjoy your preferred sports and hobbies, or unable to have that house near the beach or a new car. You don't want to be sitting around watching TV like I've seen people doing. Hi, I'm Glenn. For the last couple of years, I've been learning skills on how to sell goods and services online. With these skills, I've learnt the many different ways to generate an income online, even while I'm offline doing the things I love or even sleeping. In this limited time video, I'm unable to fully explain the many ways to sell online, but if you're interested in this topic, I do have a video I can send to your inbox immediately that explains in more detail. If you'd like the video, click the Learn More button, enter your name and email address, and I will send the video at no cost to you. People like you and I are creating income online because more and more people are buying online every day. If you think about it, everyone at some time in their life has purchased a product or service online. How can we tap into this digital economy, you ask me? Well, you need to put the right offer in front of the right people. We can show you how to find the right offer. You need to have a website. With today's latest technology, it is easier to have a website up and running using one of the many templates. Clicking here and there and dragging and dropping. In January 2024, there were 5.3 billion internet users globally, and the number of internet users grew by 97 million in the last 12 months. With the internet growing every year, opportunities are endless. You can build your online business at your own pace from home, even while working your current employment. There's no age limit, no need for physical stores or hefty investments, just an internet-connected device. No bosses dictating your schedule. Work on your terms from anywhere in the world with an uncapped income potential. To achieve this, all you need is a little guidance to turn this vision into reality. Click the Learn More button. Simply enter your name and email, and I'll send you the video on how you can embark on this life-changing journey.